Hello everyone, this is MC Jona, that's Jona at your service. Yes, 2020 is a good year for inbox events dahil isang dekada na kami. Yay! Palapak namin kayo dyan. Thank you. So, in celebration of our 10th year, as a way of our Thanksgiving, I decided finally, to do a vlog para sa mga loyal partner suppliers namin for 10 years. Sa mga bride and groom na nagtiwala sa amin. This is to share what we have learned. So here we'll be giving tips and ideas para sa pagpaplano ng kasal at sa mga gusto ring mag-organize ng events. Ito kasi yung mga natutunan namin sa mga workshops and seminars before namin pasukin ang wedding industry. Every bride and groom's dream is to have that perfect wedding. Pero kasi guys, sa panahon ngayon na nagmamahala na ang presyo ng mga bilihin, it's better to be practical. What will happen na naman to the newlyweds after their wedding kung lahat ng kapirahan na naipon ninyo ng ilang taon ay nagastos na ninyo sa wedding, di ba? So on this video, we will share to you guys these five important tips to have a low-cost wedding without compromising quality. Tip number 1. Keep your guest list short. Kung gusto niyo talagang mag-reduce ng budget, it's better to reduce also the number of guests. Ito yung isang sikreto dyan mga bes. Let's say, gusto niyo magpabook ng 100 guests sa caterer. Better yet na mga 80, yan, 80, 80 or whatever. Yun na lang muna ang ilalagay ninyo sa guest list. Why? Kasi, kailangan natin maglagay ng allowance para sa mga bisita na hindi naman makakapunta ng mag-isa lang, gaya ng mga lolo at lola, di ba? Siyempre, dapat may kasama sila. So, another tip, we just have to invite your friends and relatives na talaga namang in close contact with you pa. Huwag na po muna natin isama sa list yung mga hindi naman na natin nakikita or nakakausap for a couple of years or more. Kasi hindi naman ito isang grand reunion. Alam natin guys na ang wedding or ang kasal ay isang special and solemn celebration. And mas masarap siyang i-celebrate of course with the people who really matter most to you and to your spouse-to-be. Yun. So next tip number 2. Mix and match flowers. Ito guys yung flower arrangement na madalas na nabibigyan ng budget lalo na, let's say, mahilig sa flowers si bride. If you have that much money, go ahead and invest with flower arrangement made entirely from fresh flowers. But if you're on a budget, I suggest to go with a mix of artificial and fresh flowers. Gaya dito, artificial flowers lang siya. Pero hindi naman siya halata, no? Kasi hindi naman nila mapapansin ng mga guests, especially if magaling mag-ayos yung stylist mo, di ba? And one thing, after the wedding, itatapon din naman yun eh. So, di ba? Sayang naman. Tip number 3. Get help from friends and family. Let your loved ones be involved kasi ito yung paraan para makakuha ka ng discounts, especially if your friends or your relatives are in the wedding business. Or, kung meron sa kanila na kumakanta naman, di ba, bakit ka pa nga naman mag-hire ng acoustic band, di ba? Or, baka naman one of your relatives marunong mag-bake. Why not ask her to do your wedding cake instead, di ba? Pero please, huwag naman natin yung hihingin yun as a gift. Di ba, palibre lang yun. Kasi, it's their business. Kaya naman natin kumita sila ng kahit konti, di ba? So, ang sabi nga, connections will help you save a lot. Tip number 4. DIY your invitations and souvenirs. So instead of ordering invites and giveaways, why not do it yourself? Making your own invitation and souvenirs will not only add a personal touch, kasi di ba mas papahalagahan niya ng mga pagbibigyan natin, but also will help you save your budget. Yan. So last but not least, itong pinaka-importante sa lahat, prioritize the ceremony. Marami kasi sa social media or sa mga magazines, nakikita natin that put too much pressure on what weddings should look like. Merong nag-iisip pa nga ng mga di ba? Ng mga kakaibang theme, mga iba lang, diba? Pero kung mapapansin nyo, nagre-require ito ng bonggang styling, di ba? But if you're on a budget, just remember guys, that the most important part is the ceremony in which you will be bonded with the love of your life. O, di ba? Bongga, English word. So just go for a simple venue for the reception and stay away from unnecessary decorations. So, ayun. I hope nakatulong ito sa mga engaged couple natin dyan na nagpaplano ng isang simple at practical na wedding. So that's it for now. If you guys have something in mind na gusto niyong gawan ko ng vlog, just put your comment below and don't forget to subscribe. This is emceeJONA. Till